Rule number 3, we're looking at powers of powers. The first one we're going to be looking at is when we have exactly one base. Okay, here's example 1. We have x to the power of 2 all to the power of 3, which means x to the power of 2 times itself 3 times, right? Which is x times x times x times x times x times x. Notice you have 6 x's multiplying each other, okay, which is x to the power of 6. All right, what can you do with 2 and 3 to get 6? Why, you can multiply them. So notice that x to the power of 2 all to the power of 3 is the same as x to the power of 2 times 3, which is 6. All right, example 2. Here we have x to the power of 4 all to the power of 2. So that's the same as x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 4, which is, now x to the power of 4 is 4 x's multiplying each other. X to the power of 4 is 4 x's multiplying each other, which gives us 8 x's multiplying each other all together, which is x to the 8. Notice that x to the power of 4 all to the power of 2 is the same as x to the power of 4 times 2, which is x to the 8. All right, example 3. Here we have x to the 3 all to the power of 5, and which is x to the 3 times 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 x to the 3 5 times, and that gives us x to the 3 is 3 x's multiplying each other times 3 x's multiplying each other times 3 x's multiplying each other 5 times over, and notice that gives us 15 x's, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, which is x to the power of 15. Notice that x to the 3 all to the power of 5 is the same as x to the 3 times 5. Okay, which is our rule. So rule 3 is we have powers of powers, multiply the exponents. Okay, example 1, x to the 12 all to the power of 20 is going to be x to the 12 times 20, which is going to be x to the 240. Example 2, 3 to the 19 all to the power of 16. I'm going to multiply the 19 times 16, which gives us 3 to the 304. Okay, don't work that out. Okay, 3 to the 304 is its simplest form. Okay, if you had 3 to the 3, you can write that as 27. 2 characters. 3 to the 304, I have no idea what that is, but let's ask our handy dandy calculator. 3 to the power of 304. And the calculator says it's not even a number. Okay? 3 to the power of 304. So it's going to be so large that the calculator can't figure it out. Let's see, what's 3 to the power of 100? Okay? Like, this is a huge number. Times 10 to the power 47. So 5.15 times 10 to the power 47. So like 5 with 47 zeros after it. So, 3 to the 304 is much, much larger. Okay? Crazy big number. All right, example number 3. Here we have z to the power of 5 all to the power of 20. We're just going to multiply those powers. So it's going to give us z to the power of 100. All right, and that's it for rule number 3. Have a good day.